Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of vacuum accessories with a focus on the in-vacuum 2-pack replacement for Shop Vac Filter 90398. If you're in the market for the best Shop Vac Hang-Up Filter, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and explore what makes this filter stand out from the rest. The in-vacuum replacement filter is specifically designed for Shop Vac models 90398, 903-98, 9039800, and more. It's the perfect solution for keeping your wet-dry vacuum running smoothly. One of the key features of this filter is its compatibility. It fits most Shop Vac 4-gallon and smaller models, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning tasks around the home or workshop. Plus, with a package that includes 2 filters and a cleaning brush, you're getting great value for your money. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove the old filter and replace it with a new one. The dimensions of the filter ensure a snug fit, providing optimal performance with every use. And since it's reusable, you'll save both time and money in the long run. Now, let's talk about what customers love most about this product. Reviewers rave about the quality and fit of the filter, mentioning how it works as well as the original equipment. Plus, with its affordable price point, it's a win-win for anyone looking to maintain their Shop Vac without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the in-vacuum replacement filter for Shop Vac sets the standard for quality and performance. With its compatibility, ease of installation, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's clear why this filter is considered the best hang-up filter on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!